welcome to the channel. Are you tired of rushing through your mornings, grabbing whatever's convenient, and then feeling sluggish before lunch? We get it. Busy schedules often push healthy eating to the back burner, especially at breakfast. But what if we told you there's a simple, delicious, and incredibly healthy way to kickstart your day, even when time is tight? Imagine beginning each morning feeling light, energized, and perfectly nourished. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of steamed breakfasts. These aren't just easy, they're packed with nutrients, gentle on your digestion, and surprisingly versatile. Steaming is one of the best cooking methods for preserving nutrients. It uses gentle heat, ensuring your food retains more vitamins and minerals compared to frying or boiling. Plus, it requires minimal oil, making your meals lighter and healthier. For busy professionals and health enthusiasts alike, steaming is a game changer. It's hands off cooking, often requiring just a few minutes of prep and then letting the steam do its magic. Cleanup is usually a breeze too. Let's explore 10 fantastic steamed breakfast ideas that will transform your mornings. Each one offers a unique flavor and health benefit, perfectly suited for a vibrant start. Whisk eggs with finely chopped spinach and bell peppers, then steam in small ramekins. This creates a fluffy, protein packed frittata that's ready in minutes. It's a delightful way to sneak in extra vegetables. Combine oats with water or broth, a touch of ginger, and lean protein like shredded chicken or tofu. Steaming creates a comforting, easy to digest porridge. Garnish with fresh herbs for a flavorful twist. Prepare a batch of homemade or store-bought vegetarian dumplings. Steaming them offers a light and savory breakfast. Pair with a low-sodium soy sauce or a light vinegar dip. Dice sweet potatoes and apples, then steam until tender. Sprinkle with cinnamon and a hint of maple syrup for a naturally sweet and fiber-rich breakfast. This is pure comfort food that's good for you. For a truly decadent and healthy start, steam a small salmon fillet. Serve alongside some quick steamed asparagus or broccoli. It's rich in omega 3s, promoting brain health and sustained energy. Steam quinoa until light and fluffy. Layer it with fresh berries, a dollop of Greek yogurt, and a sprinkle of nuts for a wholesome and satisfying parfait. This is a delightful blend of textures and tastes. These light fermented Indian snacks are incredibly digestible and nutritious. They are traditionally steamed and perfect with a side of chutney. Many ready mix options are available for quick preparation. Craft or buy small chicken and mushroom buns. Steaming them makes them soft and warm, offering a balanced meal of protein and carbohydrates. They're excellent for a grab and go option. Core pairs and fill them with a mixture of oats, walnuts, and a touch of honey. Steaming them gently cooks the fruit, creating a warm, sweet, and comforting breakfast. It's an elegant and simple dish. Chop broccoli finely, mix with a whisked egg and a small amount of low-fat cheese. Steam in muffin tins for quick, bite-sized, high-protein veggie cups. These are perfect for meal prepping. There you have it. 10 incredible steamed breakfast ideas to nourish your body and energize your mind. Ditching the unhealthy quick fixes doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or convenience. With these options, you're choosing a path to sustained energy, better digestion, and a truly great start to every single day. We encourage you to experiment and find your favorites. You'll be amazed at how simple and rewarding a healthy breakfast can be. Make a commitment to yourself today. Prioritize your mornings and let steaming transform your breakfast routine for the better. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and keep supporting.